Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Mount and Blade 2 Bannerlord What Sales games, crashing, not launching, not loading, lagging, or other issues on PS5. So the very first method is to restart your PlayStation. One of the best way to fix the issue is by restarting the PS5 first. It will resolve temporary bugs or glitches. Just open PS5 screen and click on PlayStation button on controller, then select power button and then select restart PS5. After that, check if the issue is fixed. If not, next method is to rebuild database. For that, switch off your PS5, then hold down power button unless 2 beep sound occur. Now leave the power button to enter safe mode. Here connect DualSense controller by USB cable and then select rebuild database. Next method is to switch Wi-Fi frequency. For that, go to settings, then click on network, then click on settings, then click on setup network connection. Here click on options. Now under Wi-Fi frequency, you can switch to 5 GHz or 2.4 GHz and then check if the problem is resolved. If not, next method is to check for game update. So you should ensure the game is updated and is not outdated. First highlight the game, then press options button. Now choose check for update. If any update is available, click on update and then follow the instructions to go ahead. Next is to restore licenses. For that, open settings, then click on users and accounts, then move down to others on left panel. Now choose restore licenses. After that, select Mount and Blade 2 Bannerlord War Sales game, then click on restore and finally confirm by selecting yes. Next is to delete games save file PS5. For that, open settings on PS5 menu. Now choose save data PS5. Here select upload or delete from console storage and then select Mount and Blade 2 Bannerlord War Sales game and then check if the problem is fixed. If not, next method is to check storage space on console. For that, go to PS5 settings and move down to storage. Here you will see console storage and extended storage. Now check each of them by clicking on it and then delete save data. Next method is to check PS5 overheating. So make sure your PS5 is not overheating and is well ventilated. If it's overheating, try to cool down for some time before using it. This will help to fix the issue on PS5. Next solution is to change language on console. For that, open PS5 settings, then go to system. Now choose language option in the left sidebar, then select current language. Now change the language to English or any other and then check if the issue is resolved. If not, next method is to sign out and sign into PS5. For that, first go to settings, then tap on users and accounts. Next, go down and click on other option. After that, click on sign out option. Once done, again log into the PS5 account and then check for the error. If not, next is to reset your console settings. For that, launch settings on your PS5 and move to system. Now choose reset options under system software. Here choose reset default settings. At last, select restore option. Next solution is to reinstall Mount and Blade 2 Bannerlord War Sales game. For that, first highlight the game on your PS5 and press options on your controller. Now choose delete and confirm it. Finally, restart your PS5 and install Mount and Blade 2 Bannerlord War Sales games again to check for the error. If not, then the final solution is to contact support. So if nothing works, then you should take help from the PlayStation support. Link is already in the description. Just explain whatever the issue you are coming across and hopefully the support team will help to resolve the issue and you will play the game once again without any further problem. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.